Hi, my name is Connor. Welcome to Food Grades, and today we're doing microwavable snacks, and I kind of want to do it with a friend today. Hi! How did that happen? Anyways, are you ready to start this video, Kingston?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Okay, so first up, we have Uncrustables. So what I know about this is that they're known for like PB&Js, and I'm not a big fan. Yeah, I'm not particularly excited about this one, but I mean, let's just try it.
Why not?
These are kind of tiny.
Yeah, they're small. Smaller than the PB&Js.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, let's.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Believe it or not, these are actually kind of good.
Okay, so I like the mixture. But also, I'm not really a big fan of the texture. I like the meat and the bread. Just not a big fan of the texture. What about you, Kingston?
I like the taste, but same. I don't really like the texture.
So this one is in first place. Well, because it's the only one so far, but it was okay. But let's go on to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, so next up we have these Jalapeno Poppers. I don't know much on them. All I know is that they're jalapeno stuffed with cream cheese, and let's just get this started. Here goes nothing.
Yeah.
All right.
Poppers.
Smell
Actually,
okay.
pretty good.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Well, I don't like that. No. Definitely behind Uncrustables. I don't know. Okay. It was spicy but with cream cheese. So I don't really think it wasn't really a good mixture because it was spicy with cream cheese. I don't really like the mixture.
No. It just wasn't it for me.
No. I think Uncrustables is still in first.
Yeah, way better. Next up, we have White Castle sliders. Personally, I really like these, and I'm looking forward to them. So, let's just get to it. These beautiful sliders.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. I like them, but it has a weird texture, sort of like the Uncrustables. They're okay. What do you think, Kingston?
I think they're great.
So,
I like the taste and the texture.
what do you think we should put these?
First or second place?
Personally, I like these, but I feel like I really like the Uncrustables, but I think these are definitely better than the Jalapeno Poppers.
Yeah, anything.
I think these should go in for second place.
Yeah.
Okay, second place it is. All right.
So, next up we have Bagel Bites.
What do you know about these, Kingston?
Well, it's like pizza bagel. Sometimes I get this for school lunch. I've tried them before. They're okay.
I've actually never tried Bagel Bites, so it'll be interesting.
Yeah.
All right.
So.
You ready to get into this?
Yeah, I never tried the sausage type. Only tried the pepperoni and dice type. Whatever it's called. So
All right.
let's get to it. We have our Bagel Bites. So small.
Okay, I just noticed.
They don't look the same at all.
Look at this, and then look at this. They don't look the same.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They don't
know.
look the same at all. No.
Maybe they'll taste good.
Yeah, maybe they will.
All right, 3, 2, 1. It's okay. It's an overflow. It's an overflow in the sauce.
Yeah. It's a lot of sauce.
I also noticed on the box it says Orida. That's a tater tot company.
Yeah.
I think they should just stick to what they know.
Yeah.
Okay. How would you say these go, Kingston?
Third.
Better than. Yeah, I think they're not better than the sliders. Okay. These are third place in front of the Jalapeno Poppers and behind the Uncrustables and the sliders. Alright, let's move on to the next snack. Okay, next up we have Taquitos. I've tried these before at my friend's house. They're pretty good. Are you excited about this?
Yeah, Tostitos have pizza rolls.
These are taquitos.
Same thing.
Anyways, let's get into this. Here comes our taquito. Alright. You ready to get into this?
Yeah.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. These are good. They're hot. I like the, I mean, they just came out of the microwave. But I like the mixture and how well it goes together. Yeah. What about you?
Basically the same. It's just hot. That's the only thing I don't like about it.
But where should we put these?
I think we should put these in the number 1 spot.
Yeah, these are really good. All right, taquitos go into the number 1 spot. Let's get into the next one. Okay, let's get into the next one. It's pickles. Okay, ending deal. I guess we'll have to put them like this. I hate pickles.
Same.
Yeah, I don't like pickles plain. Like I'll put them on like a burger or like something else, but I'm not a big fan of pickles, so I'm not really that excited about this one. I guess let's just get into it.
They look like chicken nuggets, so just imagine them as chicken nuggets.
But
Thin chicken nuggets.
Pickles inside.
Thin chicken nuggets, really thin.
So I'm not excited about this.
No, me neither.
All right,
So
let's
just get to it.
Yeah. Okay. Now,
R.I.P. my taste buds already.
all right. Grab one.
3, 2,
1, go. Ew. Breaded pickles, I'm not a fan. The aftertaste, it's not good. Well, I think we know where this is going.
Last place.
Yeah. Well,
The texture is trash.
The texture's bad.
Completely bad.
I'm not a fan of the like mixture, like pickles and bread. I'm not really a fan.
I couldn't imagine it as chicken nuggets. Sorry.
Yeah. Let's move on to the next thing.
Yeah, these are nasty. Next up is pizza rolls. Probably my favorites. I know a lot about these. I eat these a lot. They are very, very good. I haven't tried them in the microwave. I only tried them in the oven, but yeah.
I mean, these are, in the past I really liked these. I mean, but maybe they stuff pickles in there. Hopefully not. Maybe this will be last place. Maybe this will be first place. Hopefully first place. Yeah. And hopefully they're good. So let's get into this. Oh. I don't know if this happens to people who eat pizza rolls, but when you like bite, when you like get these out of the microwave or the oven, like they're always so hot. I think they're harder than the sun when you bite into them. What about you?
It does happen. Sometimes I put hot sauce on them and they're way better.
How does hot sauce make it hot go away?
It doesn't, but it's still better. You should try it sometime.
These are really messy also. Alright, let's just get into these. 3, 2, 1. Huh. I'm home!
They're good, just hot.
These are harder than a volcano lava. You're struggling? You are struggling? Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Alright.
I don't really... The taquitos, like, were really good. These are, like... I feel like this is a tie.
This is a tie with taquitos.
And pizza rolls. What do we do? Okay, so... When you take these pizza rolls out of the oven, they almost always burn your mouth. When you take taquitos out of the oven, they didn't burn my mouth at all. So therefore, I think not pizza rolls, I think taquitos should be the winner. What about you?
Stop it. Get some help.
Are you okay? Alright. Taquitos is the winner?
Yeah, Tostitos goes. Yeah.
Alright. Taquitos is the winner. Okay, so all these I learned what surprised me. What surprised me probably the most is these the Uncrustables. I thought that it wasn't going to be that good, but it turned out being third place. I don't really usually eat taquitos, but I learned that I really like taquitos better than pizza rolls, which surprised me. And these two down here, they no. I see those at the grocery store. They're all thrown in the garbage. Anyways, that has been me and my friend Kingston. Trying some new foods and new snacks. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Like and subscribe.